What is up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs again. Today we've got this awesome Toyota Tundra. It is a 2017 that we put these bronze wheels on, and let's just dive into this build. We sent this truck up on the 3.5-inch rough country kit. It was upgraded with the monotube shocks. Monotube shocks are great to give your truck that little bit of extra handling, keep the truck feeling a little bit more planted than the standard twin tube shocks. The wheels are a 20x9. They are the Fuel Rebel 6s. They are in this bronze colorway. They are a +1 offset, so you can see kind of how that stance sticks out a little bit. And of course, we finished off this build with the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs. These are a 295/60 R20, which is about a 34-inch tire underneath there. These Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs are one of my favorite tires on the market. Great in snow. They have a 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, great off-road, and just an all-around awesome looking tire. All right, guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.